What's up, everybody? We hit 40,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks for being a part of the Geek Psychology community where we're helping geeks, gamers, and creatives to play life better. It means a lot to me, and I think it means a lot to the world. I mean, there are so many geeks and gamers and creatives that are out there struggling to understand themselves and struggling to have the confidence and motivation to play life better, to live a better life, to achieve or even strive for their goals. So thank you very much for being here and being a part of the community. And so in order to celebrate, I want to talk about the giveaway that I'm going to do to help you play life better and share the word, spread the word about Geek Psychology. So over here we have Geek Psychology, the 40K giveaway. Let's celebrate by helping more geeks, gamers, and creatives to play life better and get more people into personal development so that we can have a better world, just a better life, and tackle those big raid bosses together instead of whatever's going on right now. So you can go to bio.geekpsychology.com and you can find the link to sign up, or you can click on the link down below to sign up for a chance to win almost $1,000 worth of prizes. There is $1,000 prize, and there are other prizes as well. There's a 900 one and merchandise and stuff like that. So let me talk a little bit more about what that is. And so the first option here is the Hero Maker Accountability System, where you get unlimited 15-minute coaching sessions with me. So you you come to me as the quest giver, right? We work on something together, something that you come up with, right? But I'm here to help guide you and get you closer to that goal. And then you go out there in the wild, you accomplish the quest, you come back after you've finished, and we go for the next 15-minute quest. So it's kind of a repetitive process where we're helping you focus on getting what you want, and I'm there as accountability for you. And there's also the transformational coaching package, which is $900. It's for 4 sessions where I work with you for about an hour, and we do more, deeper work, like things like into hypnosis and, rewriting the past and dealing with motivation and confidence and self-understanding on a deeper level, but it's a shorter process. And coaching is really important because it helps by having somebody else there to look at you objectively a bit more and see what you're tripping over, what the obstacles are, those kind of lies that we all tell ourselves sometimes about what we're doing and why we're doing it, or the conscious rationalization that's getting in the way of our success and the process of growing. So having somebody else there to work as a trainer, somebody there to spot you as you're lifting the weights, or somebody there to keep reminding you of that future potential version of yourself. And that's what I do as a coach. And in order to do that, I bring in different modalities and stuff like hypnosis and neurolinguistic programming, self-understanding, personality type, and those types of things. And second and third place, you don't get that big coaching program, but you have a choice to get any of my other programs that I have for sale, or you can get some merchandise, or if you really want, you can get the Geek Psychology album as well. So what happens when you sign up for this process, and how does it work? So this is my screen. Of course, I'm not actually entered to win. I'm not going to take the prize or anything like that. I'm going to delete this when it's up and ready. But this is what you'll see, okay? So you see this list of all these different tasks you can do, these different quests you can go on, however you want to view this. You can share on Twitter, Facebook, share on Messenger, email. You can visit the link tree, bio.geekpsychology.com. You can, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, which you're probably already there. You can listen to me on a podcast, right? And all these are accruing points. You're getting different points. And the more points you have, the higher the chance is that you win the prize. So basically all these, if you have 20 points and somebody else has 1 point, you're a lot more likely to win the prize after the random roulette or, lottery pull. Okay. There are other options down here as well, right? You can watch the free mini course. You can watch another playlist. You can check out the merchandise, join the Discord channel, all these other things to help build the community as well. And thanks for that, in appreciation for that, I want to give you the reward of a coaching package, right? Or some merchandise if you're not the lucky one winner. So go ahead and go to bio.geekpsychology.com or check the link below, and you can get in the process for winning one of these prizes here and just spreading the love. Don't keep Geek Psychology a secret. Share it with the world. Spread it out there so that we can help more people and we can build a more robust community that's there to support and help other people understand themselves and thus play life better. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.